Hak jingele ban penek pensa iki berat klau berban kentiu ru ka kam jungok kai perthai Meghalaya Umtrew rangba ka jelau Conrad K Sangma ulalik ban jurep ka jingtrai ka prang ya chakmat ban snai ka Meghalaya Zoological Park ha Umtrew Riboy District ya kani ka project Meghalaya Zoological Park las dang haus nam arjar khat khandai ban kalyang Umtrew rangba ulapan pau ya ka jing suhon ya ka jing ya chakmat ka jingtrai ulo ang ru ba ka sarkar ka khmilanti ban pendap ya ka ha shiteng jong bnai Nailar arjar pulai.
Ramsey, you can chop it off and slope it like that, huh? Yes. Angle it like this. So if you cut this and go 45 degrees, so I think you should be able to then see a bit more and just chop this off. It's enough. The height is enough. You don't need glass, you don't need anything. So we have visited the zoo here, and this is the Meghalaya Zoological Park, and this was initiated in the year 2019, and in the last 3-4 years, the work has been going on. Of course, there were numerous challenges that were there along the way, but I'm happy to see that we have progressed to this point. And after my review today, I have been told that we expect the infrastructure to be ready within the next 45 days. That is within the month of July. So June and July, we should be able to see the infrastructure being completed. And we are hoping that after all the clearances that are given from Government of India and the concerned authorities, we will be able to officially inaugurate the zoo with all the animals and all the infrastructure ready by August. So I'm hoping that before August 15th we're targeting. Of course, we'll see how the progress goes, but a target date of before pre-Independence Day. We're hopeful that this will start so that people from Independence Day onwards can actually visit this particular zoo. We also intend that this zoo should be run in a professional manner. So we will take necessary steps to examine the possibilities for that. We also want this particular zoo to have other activities that are related to, especially for children and for families. And hence we will examine. There's a very large area of 200 plus acres, almost 300 acres of land is there. So hence we intend to utilize it and maximize the utility of this place to the most. But of course, at the end of the day, we have to ensure that it runs well, it is managed well, and the animals are kept safe, and they're given all the facilities. And the children and the families and the visitors who come to visit this place enjoy it, and we make it as user-friendly and tourist-friendly as possible.